Okay, so we got our reamers here for doing that part. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. Oh, I forgot the distillation tool. Damn, you need a lot of tools to do this job. Okay, we need some numbers for this. Those two numbers we need for later. This is trash. And we got to push this into here to see where we're at. You like that one?
Yeah, that one looks a lot better.
It's got bearings in this one. Almost cut. It almost cut. Here, I can tear it. It marked it enough that I can tear it. Okay. I'm assuming that's on the list, but we'll put it over just in case. Okay, so we got to get this all out of here. You didn't lose that pin yet. Don't lose that pin. We're going to need it. And this pin here, we got to knock this one out. We got to go clean this thing up really good. And we got to come back and do our work on it. We got to clean it again. And then just to make sure we might even clean again after that. Because this has been cleaned probably 5 times already. We don't want to put this filthy thing on the cover over there. Just want to avoid it. Okay. So I could probably use that to press it in. Not quite. Let's get something different for that. I can use this. Okay, so we gotta get this out. I need something for this. I got an engine fan way over here. What is that? We'll put that in the walk away. Okay, that will work for that. Okay, what do we got over here? Nope, that's too big for you. There you go. Right there, look at that. I can use my beat-on tools. You can beat on with a hammer and use it on a press. This one's easier. There's a pin, see that?
Yep.
You have to reuse that. How do you get that out?
Pull it out?
Nope. Push it out. Oh, that one was loose. That would have fell out. You just took the oil off. Jeez, that was not very good. Who did that? That didn't even count. That was way too easy. Okay, you want to keep those for your use them in your next motor?
Nope.
So those go in the trash can then?
Trash.
Okay. Alright, so
go in that box over there.
Yeah, I got to throw in the brass bucket over there.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna go get this a clean job. We'll do that. Yes, I'm glad to hear somebody did it correctly. The 3 guys in front of you did not. Alright, we'll get a drill. You got a drill in here?
We have a drill press.
That's close enough. There's a big ass drill. I'll use that. Used to be a center punch in there too at one time. Oh shoot, look at that, it's still in there. Dinky hammer. Okay, we did a precision measurement on what the hole's supposed to be. What was that number again?
300.
Oh. And where are all the holes at?
300.
There you go. So there's a reason why they can't put them in there. Oh, that is 320. See that? 320. $300. If you hit it too hard, you break the bushing. See, 300.
There we go.
Lights off. And put that straight up and down so it goes straight. Now if you pinch your fingers in it, they get tight. Okay, so we're done with that. Okay, this has a pretty good sized hole with this one. That looks extremely dull. I'm guessing somebody was cutting something that didn't want to be cut with it. Appears to be lacking. Well, they got 2 drill chucks out now. Jeez. Precision drill truck, drill press. Go with, but I got a precision drill press with precision drilling. Where's that bad part? Okay, I'm thinking that's going to have to be deeper than that. What do you think?
Just a little bit.
I don't know how much though. I'm going to go that far. I don't want to overdo it. 840s looks like a good one. See the chamfer we're putting in? A little bit too much. Oh well. It's got a pronounced chamfer in there now.
It's gonna promote old flow.
It's going to line up really good now. We have fall. Okay, you want to take off whatever burrs are on there. Looks good. We have lots of burrs on the inside. They'll come off with a honing operation, a ringing operation. Okay, that's done. That took a lot of work. Okay. I think we're ready for some installation. What do you think?
I think so.
Okay, so we need a bunch of stuff to do that. We need pressing tool, we need bushing. What else do we need? We need a holder and fixture. There you go. You got enough stuff yet? Oh, Loctite. Don't forget the Loctite. That's the important part. Alright. Let me take this along too, just for the hell of it. Doesn't appear to be very flat on your bike. You have various thickness washers here. Thinking that's the one. What do you think? Think that's the precision?
Precision fitment.
Yeah, actually it's got a little. It's a little off, but depends on where you're at. Maybe a little bit more. Not really too much.
There we go.
That's the key? That's
Yep.
the one. Alright, at least we got the right one on there. What the hell are they doing here? They put a big... Oh, that's my mark. What the hell's there groove in there for? Okay, so we're going to lubricate it with the sleeve retainer. Now Harley quit putting pins in these things somewhere about this year range. For sure in the 80s they quit doing it. They determined that the even loaders were perfect and they didn't need to have any dowel pins in them. Everything else needed them. Okay, that one goes right there. And this one over here. Its own custom brew on this one also. Alright, nice good coat of lubricant on everything. think that's called anti-lubricant. Okay, this goes straight up and down, so it covers up that hole over there. I think the reason they don't pre-drill them is because they don't want you to use them. Notice how it does not have very much press fit on this. It's not a good sign. I'm thinking this is going to be almost like falling in here.
Yep.
You get a little bit torque there at the end. The needle moved. We definitely need to pin that one.
Okay.
No doubt about it. It appears the hole might be close. See, with that big chamfer on the outside, it doesn't have to be close because it's big enough on the other side. Oil would get to it. Now you go over here and do this one. Now this one here, you have a flat spot that we have to put where the oil gallery goes, right here. That way the oil will go on the other side of the shaft where it needs to. No. That'll make me work. Getting hard. You gotta recess it in a little bit. It's hard to tell exactly where the hole's at. Right there. Jeez, that's a lot of pressure. It does not want to go in any further than that number. There it goes.
There you go.
3 tons there.
Sleeve retainer must have started doing its job.
Well, it was working pretty good. No, I wasn't quite on top of it. I was still catching a little bit of the edge of the aluminum. You have to recess in there until it's flush. See? That lines it up. You have to have room for the nut on the pinion shaft. That's why you have to recess it.
Okay.
Somebody else sneaking in. Uh-oh. Got all kinds of people sneaking around here. What's up with that?
That's my shoe.
You sneaking around too?
There's a lady of the hour right there.
Scooby? Okay, I need a left case, a right case. Go give me the right case.
Case.
Hey, Scooby. All right, this goes in here. Now see how these are laid way over?
Yeah.
If you press them like that, they won't move. It'll lock them up.
Okay.
So you got to center them up a little more straight up and down. That way when you press them together, they can squeeze together a little bit. Otherwise they jam up. And then they won't turn. Then you get to press it right back out again and fix it. Now you can go below the surface if you want to, but there's no real reason to.
Okay.
There's a thrust washer goes up against it anyway. Looks like somebody did some milling work in there. Probably made room for a bigger cam or something. Possibly. Okay, so now you go there and make sure these rotate. So they rotate, the rollers,
Yep.
so they're not locked up, so you're good.
Okay.
If they lock up, push it back out, center them up, put it back in, you should be fine. Because when you squeeze it down, if they're at an angle, it locks them up solid. every time. Okay, so now I gotta work on some pins. My tools, all that. I need that stuff.
All right.
Grab a handful there. I mark this right here. Don't put the hole there. Put it anywhere else but there. And it's best not to put the hole right here for the dowel. That's another bad spot. Other than that, you're good. Okay, so we need these here. Need a little small punch for putting these in. You didn't bring that, did you? Did they get it out yet? He'll be back. Alright, one of those two, I'll do the trick. Okay, so we need these, we need this. Need some Loctite. Do you need Loctite? No, we don't need Loctite. Need this. Need this. What else do we need?
Yeah, those two little shims.
Yeah, we don't need the shims. That'll work for now. We don't need no stinking shims. That works perfect. Okay, where would you like me to put that hole, sir? We can't have it here, and we can't have it here. Where do you want it?
Guess in between? Or below the black line?
Yeah, I think we just put it over here somewhere out of the way.
All right.
Looks like a good spot. No, this one here, the drill will follow the hole and reshoot the bush.
Okay.
Need some letter drills there. Need a 120. Give me the new ones up top.
The
The good ones.
them?
No.
Hang on, see me pretty.
Oh, up.
Here.
Jeez. Jeez, it's hard to miss this. You know?
Oh yeah, I know.
Need a 120. You got a 120 in your pocket? Be 131. Number 131 is 120 thou. These are 1/8 inch, which is 125. So they give you about 3 thou press and you beat them in. If you do it correctly. Okay. Coming after you. Okay, so I need a little bit more than a 1/4 inch drill. We want to be below the surface slightly. So we're on the tip of the drill, point of the drill right now. This is our 280 thou drill. So that'll put us 30 thou under the 1/4 inch. Assuming these are 1/4 inch like they're supposed to be. What size are these?
It's supposed to be 1/4 inch.
Looks like 1/4 inch. Alright. Sometimes they're loose. Appear to be 1/4 inch. Okay, so that's how you accurately set it, by the drill bit up in here and stop. That's pretty foolproof. Okay, that that one's done.
Took my blood sugar, bro. I'm at 98. So I need to drink me Dr. Pepper. See if I can't raise that blood sugar up a little bit.
We'll find one.
If I can't raise it up, I call it. I can't do this.
It's alright.
I might end up in the hospital tonight. You never know. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, did she talk to you yet?
Nope.
Diane? Alright. I'll get her to talk to you real quick, find out what you need, what you got going on.
Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, that's in there. You want to below the surface slightly?
Right.
Just below the surface, but still inside the bushing. Then I clean the top of the bushing with the bigger one. That way it can't come out.
Okay.
That's peen. Then I take a file and make sure it's flat. And it's flat. That one's done. Now you do the other one. Change the stops here. Give me a minute. Okay, so we're gonna go down. I'm just gonna hold it flat, it's close enough. Okay, so there's our stop. Okay, we want to go down about this much, right? Okay, there we go. Be just like the last one, basically. Okay, so now we put the next one in. These things seem like they're loose, you put a little Loctite on them, but they should be okay. Doesn't appear to be very loose. Okay, it's bottomed out. Now I'm going to peen the top of the bushing over just a little bit. Help hold it in case it wants to ever come out. That one's peened, see? Okay, now those are ready for fitting. You have it.
All right.
Shut it off when you're done. Alright, Scooby's gonna help. He's gonna piss all over this so we can use it. There you go. He's gonna make a bed right there, just watch. Okay, what are you gonna do? You gonna stay there or move? No, you're gonna stay. Alright, I'm gonna move you out of my way. Okay, we need to do some reaming here. So this has to go in first for sure, because it goes right there.
Okay.
Need some oil over here for lubricant. So my reamer doesn't get totally eaten up. There. I used to have a new brush. Jeez. Okay, so now this goes on top of here, but the problem is the reamer's in the way. No, it's not. Okay. See, it's got a lot of slop in it.
Yeah.
Not a good. That's good. Whoop. Now we're trying to use it. Use that one. That's way long. You couldn't find the longer ones for me to use? Let's see, that's a little bit longer. So you can go in there? Yeah, it looks like it might work. Short one. Perfect. No problem with that.
Yep.
That one worked. This one probably don't do anything, but we'll do this. Yeah, see, we have a problem with that one too. We don't need it.
Alright.
See these lay-in style washers? We need to put those underneath your new bolts.
Okay.
Otherwise it digs. See how it does those two holes?
Yeah.
That's why you put them under there.
Okay.
Okay, so that's in there. Reamer's sitting right here. Goes right in there. Okay, this goes right here. We get ready to put that in there. It goes in there like that. Okay, this is our workstation right there. Alright, we got Scooby. You go on the other side.
Alright.
Your legs block it in, you got the motor mounts behind them, because the case wants to rotate this way. This wants to go the opposite way, so hit your leg. Much ringing involved on that one. That one's out. That didn't take much there, did it?
Nope.
Okay, this one here is the next one. Lube on there. Pull this back up. So I put this down in the hole, in the bushing hole, wherever it's at. And let this just kind of self-center wherever it wants to go. Then we go in. Got hooked. It's been modified to use for a drill motor. First I turned it down for a chuck to go on it, and then I cut this out to make room for the chuck, because they made this stupid thing a ½ inch too short. Bunch of dumbasses. That'd be Jim's. Get back away, because we're not going to use that one no more. Let's see if we're going to be the right size, or we're going to have to redo it. Redoing it means I have a different reamer. Okay, and that keeps from scratching the cover down there. Put Dickie's clothing to work. This will be home to fit if this is still not tight enough.
Okay.
Loosen up in here. Okay, so now I'll take all of this stuff and I leave. We're not using this stuff no more. Alright, yeah, Scooby. Those are expensive. Okay, got a lot of reaming to do on that bushing. It's a clean hole. It's polished all the way around.
Yeah.
That's a plus. We're gonna blow the I don't want to put these chips under the new crank. That'd be a bad thing to do. Okay. See how tight it is this way?
Yeah.
Your crank's not very round. Well, the bushing's not very round. It's the bushing. See, the crank's loose now this way and it's tight this way. So that means the bushing's out of round.
Okay.
So it reamed it went in at an angle. So even though it's polished all the way around, it ain't round. There's obviously a low spot in it. So now you can put on there and see if it spins correctly and be alright.
Okay.
Okay, now the cam. Appears to be a little tight. Just have to do a little work on that. So we're going to hone that a little bit.
Okay.
There's a lot of high spots, not too many, a lot of low spots, a couple of high spots. One of the high spots where we put that pin in there for some reason. So I just beat it down
Yeah.
by beating on it. It's a lot easier now. Getting form fitted really quick, see?
Yeah.
It's also high on this side here.
Okay.
It's probably high over here because probably this cover was beat in a little bit when they put the pin in there.
Uh-huh.
So when you put the bush in there, it followed the cover. Those are tight spots. You knock them down. See, it doesn't make that noise this way anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna give that a flash on to knock off any unevenness, high spots. And then this one here, we're gonna leave it the way it is
Okay.
until we put the crank together and see if it
See if
spins
it spins.
freely.
Okay.
If it doesn't spin freely, then I'll ream it a little half a thou at a time bigger.
Okay.
This here is an adjustable reamer. I can make anything I want.
All right.
These two ones I just used right now are the first size I used, and I fit from there.
Okay.
So this one I'm just gonna give it a flash on. Scooby, get in my way. All right. Usually work on main bearings last. That looks a little bit too small. I guess something a little bit bigger. It's close. It's a little too much. This one we're going to use. So this has the fine stone. This one has the coarse stone in it. Camera. These are coarse. This row's coarse, this row's fine.
Okay.
They're the same sizes. Until I don't use the coarse ones very often. There it goes. Okay. Ooby, in my way. I already know this goes in. Check it. Finally. Getting nervous there for a minute. Perfect. Okay, I just want to knock off the unevenness. When you put a hone in there, it gets a nice fine finish. You still see the gray area where it's low. Shinies is high. So, oh well. Alright, I'm going to go clean this up. We'll be back.